neyanzige mwenna abazze wano mu lutikko okumuwerekera mutabani wange ng'agenda. Neyanzige mwebale nnyo okumulaga omukwano, ate omukwano ogwo Katonda yagumuwa naye abadde ayagala emikwano. Abadde ayagala nnyo abantu ate ng'alina n'ekisa. Mwebale nnyo okujja, ate enkya tujja kubeera ewaffe Mawokota Mbaluwala ku ssaawa 4 tujja kusaba enkya, ku ssaawa 8 tumusiibule nga mutadde mu nnyumba ye ey'olubeerera. Tweyanzige era ssebo Archbishop manyi nti walese ebizibu bingi nnyo jja wano, twagala okwebaza ennyo tweyanzizza. Ninawo muwala wange Natasha, njagala okumwebaza, webali kujja mwana n'omwami mwansanyusiza wamukutte n'omuleeta. Tweyanze. Nammwe mwenna abazirwana ow'ekitiibwa Mulange muli, ab'ekitiibwa mwenna abali wano, ow'ekitiibwa Tayewa oba ndekuwaaki neyanze. Buli ssaawa obadde onkubira essimu, ono abadde mukwano gwo ddala, ate mwebale nnyo. Kampasiibuli abanajja enkya tujja kulabagana, sisobola kwogera ku ekyo, naye nja kwebaza nnyo bano abavubuka okulaba baganda be bakoze bino ebintu byonna. Neyanziza.
Come to this one big one and to wish you a quick recovery, sir. Just give him a round of applause to Jesus. If you knew anything about Cedric, you knew he was probably the best father that you knew. There was a time when his kids were very young, and I couldn't call him at a certain time because he'd be putting his children to bed.
A sportsman, because he was an all-rounder. He played rugby, sports, he played, in fact, tennis came afterwards. Initially he was in those rough games. And he's got a lot of friends, and his friends have told me they're coming here. The Kenton College friends. They're from Singapore, London, New York, everywhere you can think of, and some of them are here. I'd like to thank them too, because they are taking a long trip to come here. But I got an inspiration. I'm not going to mourn Cedric, I'm going to celebrate Cedric. I'm going to celebrate. Because Cedric has brought a lot of people together. He has beaten me at it, and that's what I wanted. When you have children, you want them to be better than you are. And Cedric had become better than I am. And Cedric has become an icon for sportsmen. Every time we sat down and talked to him, talk a lot of philosophy, and he would tell me this and that. And one time I was sitting in a sitting room, he walks in, he says, you know, I've decided I'm going to stand as a member of parliament. I said, really? Why didn't you tell me before? He says, well, I'm now telling you. And he did. Cedric, I'll miss him. He was our gem. He was our diamond. But God, I was told by a friend, takes the best. And he's one of the best. They have taken him. We will miss him, and all his friends are going to miss him, but we know he's in a better place, as the Archbishop said, and God is the one to make that decision. We wish him a good journey, and in fact I was about to ask if they had tennis courts in heaven, because definitely if there are tennis courts, Cedric is already at the tennis court. And we wish him the best. And thank you very much, all of you, and that's why I came here, for coming here and paying respect on his last one. From here, we go to my village. I come from a place, the sub-county is called Kamengo, my village is called Luwara. It is about 50 kilometers from here, and that's where we're born. But Navagarika is not very far on the other side. He's got relatives there. It's called in Sumba. That's where we're going. And we'll be there tonight. And tomorrow morning we'll have mass. And we shall pay farewell to him at 2 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. But now,
single tournament, I had, and even if I'd won or lost, he'd still give me a big hug and tell me that he's proud of me. He'd always make sure that me and my brothers were taken care of and make sure we ate that day and that we were happy. When I was younger, I would think he was gonna live forever, but then when he got sick, that started becoming less and less of a reality. I miss when he used to tell me and my brothers off for fighting each other. I miss when he used to make jokes about my bad manners on the dinner table. I miss when he used to love my hair and he would hate when I cut it. And most of all, I miss when he would tell me that he's so proud of me. I still text him every day about how my day went and send him videos of me training. But the thing is, I hate most that he will never be able to respond or call me back.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for being here today to honor the life of a man who meant so much to us, my father. Standing here in this church, a place of faith, a place of peace, I'm reminded of my dad's quiet strength and the foundation he gave us, not just as a father, but as a guide, a protector, a constant in our lives. He was a man of deep faith, strong principles, and even stronger love. To me and my brothers, he wasn't just a dad. He was our role model. He was our role model, our biggest supporter and our friend. He admired us, not because we were perfect, but because he saw the best in us. Even when we didn't see it in ourselves, whether we were struggling, succeeding, or simply trying to find our way, he always let us know that he was proud. And he made sure that we never forgot it. He believed in hard work and treating people with kindness and standing by your word. And he passed those values on to us, not through what he said, but how he lived. He taught us being a man isn't about being tough, it's about being dependable, humble, and showing love without hesitation. We carry his lessons with us every day, his laughter, his stories, his unwavering support. They shape the people we've become. And while losing him hurts deeply, we take in comfort knowing that everything he's poured into us lives on. Dad may be gone from this world, but his spirit, his love, and his pride in us will never fade. We are those Thank you, Dad. We love you. We'll carry you with us always.
I love you, Dad. Never would have thought that you would have left us so soon. You are loved by all of us, and we know you will always look over us and stay here with us in our hearts. I know that we can't see you, I know that we can't see you, but I can feel your presence and know you any better with God. I will never forget what you did for us and our family. We will miss you forever. Rest easy, Dad. Love you loads.